Hi, hello and welcome. This is A. Charulata from Chengalpet, St. Paul's. Today we are going to see Class 12 Unit 2 Not-for-Profit Organization exercise number 7. Already I have done exercise number 8, sum number 8, where we saw about the subscription. Just a recap of how to deal with the subscription in the income and expenditure. Subscription is the revenue income for the institution and it has to be treated by this way. Just a recap of it. If the subscription is outstanding for the current year, it should be added. The subscription outstanding for the previous year should be subtracted. Regarding received in advance, subscription received in advance for the current year should be subtracted and subscription received in advance for the previous year should be subtracted. So, subscription outstanding for the current year is added. Subscription outstanding in the previous year which is received in the current year will be subtracted. In the same way, subscription received in the current year which is meant for the subsequent year must be subtracted. And subscription received in advance in the previous year which is meant for the current year is added. Right? You have understood this? So this is a recap of how to deal with the subscription in the income and expenditure. Now this is sum number 9 and they have asked you how the following items will appear in the final accounts. They have given the receipts and payments account for the year ended 31st 3/19 and in the receipt side they have given you subscription for 2017-18, 18-19, 19-20. There are 200 members in the club, each paying an annual subscription of rupees 400 per annum. Next point, subscription still outstanding for the year 2017-18 is rupees 2000. See here in this sum, they have asked you how the following will appear in the final accounts. Final accounts means in the not-for-profit organization, we have to prepare income and expenditure and the balance sheet. So far in the 8th sum, we saw about how to deal with the subscription in the income and expenditure. But how to deal the same in subscription even in the balance sheet. See, this is the format for the treatment of subscription in the balance sheet. How it will appear in the balance sheet. In the asset side, outstanding subscription for the current year and the previous year will appear in the asset side. Whereas subscription received in advance for the subsequent year, SY is nothing but for the subsequent year. This will appear in the liability side. This is how we have to treat the subscription in the balance sheet. Already we know how to deal with the income and expenditure account regarding the subscription. Now let us do the sum. Here they have given you the subscription for previous year, current year and the subsequent year, that is 2017-18, 18-19, 19-20. Now let us see how to do this sum. Here they have not given you the outstanding subscription for the current year. See, the first step for preparing the income and expenditure is we have to put the current year's subscription in the income side. Okay, this will be our first step, by subscription plus outstanding for the current year. See here, the current year subscription is 50,000. Now we have to find out the outstanding subscription. See, the first step is the working notes. How will you find out the outstanding for the current year? They have given you 200 members in the club, each paying an annual subscription of rupees 400 per annum. It means there are 200 members in that club and each of them are paying 400 rupees per annum. So for every year they will be receiving the subscription of 80,000, that is 200 into 400 rupees. 200 members into 400 gives you 80,000. So this is the current year subscription. But they have given 2018-19, they have received only 50,000. So out of the total subscription 80,000, 50,000 is received for the current year, 2018-19. When you subtract this total subscription from the received amount, what we get is 30,000. That will be the outstanding for the current year. Yes, are you clear with this? we are finding out the outstanding for the current year. They have not given in this sum. They have given the total number of members and how many rupees they are paying for each year. Out of this, we are finding out the outstanding for the current year. So this will be the step 1 to find out. The working notes is the first step for finding out the outstanding for the current year. And the next step is we have to put the format for income and expenditure account, and we have to write by subscription, and we have to write the current year subscription amount. With that, we have to add outstanding for the current year. Now we have calculated the outstanding for the current year. We have put it in the income and expenditure, the step 2, by subscription. From where did we get the 50,000? We have to put the 2018-19 is the current year, 50,000, that we have to put it in the income side by subscription. Next step is outstanding, we have to add. So current year outstanding we have found out here in the working notes. So 30,000. With that, we add with the current year subscription plus outstanding for current year, and 80,000 we have to show it in the outer column. And now the step 3 is to prepare the balance sheet, because they have asked you to prepare how the item will appear in the final accounts. So we are preparing even the balance sheet. So liability side and asset side. Asset side is outstanding subscription for the previous year and current year. Already I have given this format, what should come in the asset side and which will appear in the liability side. So outstanding subscription for the previous year is 2,000. See from where it comes. They have given the second information. Subscription still outstanding for the year 2017-18. See, for 2018-19 the outstanding is 30,000. For the previous year it is 2,000. We didn't receive it yet. It is an accrued income. So we are transferring it to the asset side. In the same way, outstanding for the current year is also an accrued income. So we are considering it an accrued income and we are showing it in the asset side. And the liability side, received in advance for the year, subsequent year, for the next year 2019-20, for the subsequent year we have received it in advance in the current year. So it is a liability. So we are showing it in the liability side. This is how the subscription will appear in the final accounts. So in this sum we are finding out the outstanding for the current year, outstanding subscription for the current year. How we are calculating is this: there are 200 members and they are paying 400 per annum. That is, every year they will be receiving 80,000. Out of this 80,000, current year they have received only 50,000. So remaining is outstanding, yet to come. And now we have to prepare the income and expenditure account and the balance sheet. The step 3 is the balance sheet. Hope you understood this sum. We will see with the sum number 10 in the next video. Thank you.